Good day, ma'am. Good day, classmate. Today we are going to present to you our activity. For the activity number one, um, customer and the definition value. So upon visiting Chowking and purchasing the Siomai beef chow fan, it is more appetizing than the regular Siomai rice of a small business. Siomai beef chow fan is way more delicious than the other brand because it has vegetables, eggs, and sometimes meat. While on the other brand, it was plain rice and only garnish of fried garlic. But when it comes to the price, other brands are way more cheaper than the Siomai beef chow fan of Chowking, and it is good for those students who's budgeting their allowance.
For the activity 2, discuss strategies for quality service in tourism and hospitality. With the food serve, so since we're pandemic, they've continued their operation. So the food service like restaurant, fast food that I done before, they are trying their best to continue to serve. Before pandemic, all food services have a dine-in and there's no limited person to eat. But now, their strategies is they alternate dine-out option to help the customers and employees remain safe during recommended social distancing periods. And they offered today more than ever when choosing where and what to eat. Safety is paramount. In fact, four is delivery safe.
Activity number 3. Discuss the guest and the service setting. Visiting a nearby resort, check on the design principles implemented and not implemented. Make some necessary recommendations. Upon visiting A&A resort, I observed that the resort has effectively integrated natural elements, simple guest flow, and prioritize comfort and sustainability. However, there are areas for improvement, including community engagement, safety measures, wellness offerings, technology integration, and brand identity. By implementing recommendations such as promoting community partnership, enhancing safety protocols, expanding wellness amenities, ay, integrating modern technology, and crafting a unique brand, the resort can elevate guest experience while contributing positively to sustainability and community involvement. These refinements will not only enhance the resort's image but also reinforce its commitment to providing exceptional hospitality experience.
Activity number 4. Discuss service staffing in tourism and hospitality management. In order to augment the understanding in the industry practice, student will interview a hospitality establishment like hotel, restaurants, or travel agency manager and learn their hiring practice. Also, check if there is an existing culture in the organization. How are the employees empowered? What are their training and orientation processes? After the short interview, present activity. A hospitality management that I observed and interviewed is the Balongao Hot and Cold Spring because it's the nearest in my area. I can't go somewhere far because of academic activities. As I interviewed the head of the tourism in Balongao, the one appointed to the operations of Balongao Hot and Cold Spring, Ma'am Rachel Caceres. The hiring process they implement is a standard hiring process. Having a standard hiring process is in place helps to reduce bias in hiring new staff and ensure that all candidates are reviewed fairly and equally. All the staffs in Balungao, Hot and Cold Spring is the local of Balungao only. The organizational culture that is have in their staffs is having trust to their coworkers and have a teamwork in their jobs. Trust is essential to an effective team because it improves a sense of safety. When your team members feel safe with each other, they feel comfortable to open up, to take appropriate risks and expose vulnerabilities, and teamwork lead to learning. Individuals have their own set of skills and strength. When the whole team works as a unit, everyone has an opportunity to learn from each other. They empower their employees through educational empowerment. Their staffs of Balonga Hot and Cold Spring develop new skills through trainings, courses, and other educational outlets. Their common training and orientation processes is food safety, communications with guests, housekeeping, safety, and compliance.
For activity number 5, discuss designing and managing service. In a nearby coffee shop, observe the different service design factor that implemented in each service concept. Great coffee is just one important aspect of quality coffee shop. Going to your favorite coffee should be its own unique experience, like 1822 Coffee, the barista happily sharing their knowledge and recommendation, the ambience and atmosphere created by lighting, music, and design, the decadent dessert displayed beautiful behind the counter.
Local art hung on every wall. It has the perfect balance of friendliness, quality, and engagements that keeps you coming back, and especially their staff are well disciplined and neat and clean. They are very hospitable in their customers, and while making coffees, they are not using vape while the other shop they're using vape while making the orders, and they have a bad attitude and their attire is not formal.